Good morning, traders, and this is your Dow Jones Wall Street 30 day trade setup for today. So today the markets are closed, futures markets are open, but the actual markets are closed. It is July the 4th tomorrow, Independence Day, so I wouldn't expect much movement in the afternoon, maybe something happening in the morning, but I typically stay out of the US markets when there's a public holiday in the US. It's not worth the frustration. Now, there was some good news that came out, but then there's also still a lot of fears around the spread of the virus in the US at the moment. So that is pretty much what's containing. So whatever good news, whatever the Feds do, it's sort of capped by the fear of where we're going with the virus at the moment. So that's pretty much what is happening, and that's why you've got this really choppy price action. So basically all that's happened now is we have another channel, and I'm just going to put it up here. There it is there. Okay, if I just delete this one so we see what's going on. You can see this inverse head and shoulders here, which is still in play. And there it is there. Okay, but look how choppy this price action has been. So it's not really been convincing one way or another of what's actually transpiring. Okay, this double bottom still in play. This double bottom still in play. I just wouldn't be trying to chase it today. So just popping down to the hour, yesterday was really, really choppy. The trend was up, so you were looking for longs, obviously not looking for longs off the top, you're looking for longs off the bottom, and you're looking for levels to buy in off, and there was lots of buying opportunities on this as it was rising and peaking at this point here. So one thing to remember about price action is when you're rising like this, you can see the pullbacks and you can see the way we're rising. But when you see exhaustion bars, there's an exhaustion bar, you can see it turned. There's an exhaustion bar, and then it immediately turned. So that good news from yesterday, which was this bar here, which was all the data, was pretty much 2 bars later, well, 2 hours later, it was taken out completely. Now a little bit of a pullback and then a second move to the downside. So this area here, you can see we keep coming back to this area for support, which is 25,793. So that's something that I'd be watching. The other thing that I would be watching as well, just want to get this somewhere like that, is to see what happens in the bottom of this channel. And you can see it's pretty much lining up with this area of support. So I'd expect buyers to step in here and push it back for another move, another attempt at 26,198. But I think that's for Monday, not for today. For today, it's really just sit on hands, not really interested in this at the moment. We'll wait and see what transpires next week. Hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.